Hey guys, quick update on the lifter tick. So I changed my oil at 118,500 miles, and a lot of people said that it was because that my oil needed to be changed, and that's why I'm getting the lifter tick. However, I just started my engine when it's cold and I'm getting a tick, so I don't think it's from the changing the oil. And as you can hear, it is ticking. So yeah, just a quick update to show you guys that I don't think it's because I need to change my oil. I think it is because the engine does like to be revved out, as I mentioned in the video. But I'm getting kind of mixed reviews on that video because a lot of people tend to disagree with it. But this is just my personal experience, and just showing you that I don't think it was from changing the oil. Alright guys, thanks for watching.